Hi, I'm James Simpson. Welcome to the Gunshot Module Vacuum.
For shotguns,
For rifles, for clothing and packs,
for knives and scopes,
and all the leading brands. For a full range of ammunition and great prices.